She cried wolf to ruin my life, so I became the nightmare she swore I was. I used to walk my dog every morning, same street, same smile, never bothered anyone, but Karen, yes, that's her real name, she needed someone to blame. Her HOA complaints weren't enough. So one morning she filmed me and told the world I was harassing her. The video went viral, clipped, cropped, weaponized. She cried, said I threatened her, said I stalked her. I lost my job that week. Friends went quiet. Even my mom called to ask what I did. That's when I stopped walking my dog and started walking the line. The line between victim and villain, between silence and strategy. I studied every lie she ever told, dug into public records, HOA violations, tax evasion, found a second mortgage in someone else's name, a fake charity tied to her PayPal. She made me look dangerous. So I showed the world how dangerous she really was. Anonymous tips, evidence drops, a quiet whisper in the right ears. It didn't take long. The same cops who once warned me, yeah, they were the ones who dragged her out in cuffs. Karen cried wolf. So I brought the whole damn pack.